Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of IPTV services available in the UK. If you love streaming your favorite shows and movies, then we have a treat for you. Introducing 2TV.store, the leading IPTV provider that offers top-notch subscriptions and free trials. Let's jump right to the sign-up process. It's simple and can be done in just a few clicks. Visit 2TV.store, and you'll see a variety of subscription options available just for you. Select the free trial option. This gives you a taste of the premium channels and entertainment. Once you've signed up, you can access thousands of channels, movies, and shows within minutes. Don't forget to explore features like pause, rewind, and catch-up TV that enhances your experience. With options for channel customization, you can create your perfect viewing lineup every time. Now let's talk about device compatibility. You can enjoy IPTV on multiple platforms seamlessly. As you get used to the service, you'll realize how indispensable it becomes for your entertainment needs. So what are you waiting for? Visit 2TV.store and start your free trial today for an amazing experience.